Lock change plus rekey plus garage maintenance.
Rekey this door.
Rekey number 1 garage entrance.
Here's the key. So now this shouldn't turn it. As you can see, it's not able to turn.
Deadbolt change plus rekey number to deck entrance.
Okay, so now we're going to rekey this lock. I'm gonna get the same for this lock. Here's the new key. We're at the front door, so we're just gonna rekey this one.
Rekey number 3 front door entrance. Deadbolt change plus rekey number for basement entrance.
This is the new key. Customer now wants their garage transponder to only work for this one, so we're going to try and help and get them set up with that. There's a garage door, so we just held the program button and now it works. So now this is the only remote that works to this garage, and now we are going to go reset the garage keypad, and then that'll be it for the customer.
Okay,
All right.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. All right, you guys have a good rest. All right, same to you guys.